Hello, we are at the beach.
Beach.
We went in fully clothed. Nope, fully clothed. So, you right there?
Yeah,
I'm
I
gonna...
have a lot of sands on my sands.
Yeah, I think we all do.
Sands on my hands.
You right? You right there?
Oh yeah.
You're just applying your sunscreen on your sand?
Yeah.
Ah.
There's
Yep.
What do I?
Mm.
You have so much sand on your feet.
So, what percentage of your body right now is sand?
About 100.
I'm at like 92.
Oh.
Leaving the
We're
beach.
taking a picture. Beach.
We just went swimming. It's not obvious.
No.
My hair's matted. And I've got sand in my hair as well.
It's really cute.
It is.
Yeah.
Yeah. Why are you looking like that? You look scared. You look like I'm being held under hostage.
It could be.
Hey, Nicola. Where are we going?
I don't know.
Cambridge.
Cambridge.
Yeah. I look dead.
Dead. I think so. I look dead.
Isn't seawater meant to rejuvenate?
I don't know.
Controversial.
Hello. My name is Nicola.
Cambridge and Kent are not close. I don't think.
Beans is French.
Okay. You're not French. What are you doing?
I'm upset because you said I'm not right.
But you're not. So it's a statement. Not a question. No, but it's a fact. It's your... Okay.
Are you?
I'm just reading my favourite book. Again, I'm rereading it on a random bench.